Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga post ni Nathan Perolino kanina sa Facebook stories niya. Pulang araw taping at kasama niya nga si Mir. At pinost nga ni Mir tsaka ni J.R. Cilia, sabi niya ang tataas ng energies. So, ibig sabihin, meron sigurong cameo role or minor role si J.R. Cilia dito sa Pulang Araw. At next naman ay sabi, tinag nga si David. So, si David yata yun. Kaya medyo malabo yung picture. At next ay post ni Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang Facebook, BP Cover of the Year. Thank you so much for this recognition. Village people, ito po ata ang very first award ko as a model. I love it. Hahaha. I had so much fun doing this cover shoot last year and definitely one of my favorites. Thank you, Paul. At yan nga, pinost niya rin sa IG stories niya to. Ayan yung cover niya na parang may cape. At ayan si Barbie na parang office girl. At ito with rings. At ito nga ni-like ni David Licao. Ako bumabawi. At ito yung video ng awarding. Let's watch this.
Next award goes to Barbie Fortesa. Congratulations! Congratulations, Barbie Fortesa.
At yun na nga, nag-trending din ngayong hapon or ngayong gabi yung Barda. Actually, surprisingly, kahit na bangayan ng bangayan maghapon sa Twitter, yung mga bashers, tapos yung mga nagtatanggol. Actually, umaga pa, may bangayan na. At napakatyaga naman ng mga nag-tweet na Barda fans. So, mula umaga hanggang hapon, tweet sila ng tweet. Grabe. At si Alden Richards actually ay nanalo din sa BP Choice Awards Movie Actor of the Year for 5 Breakups and a Romance. Let's watch it.
The VP Choice Awards for Movie Actor of the Year goes to people's favorite actor who has delivered exceptional performances in leading role in a film while deeply understanding the demands of the characters they portray.
And the nominees are Alden Richards for 5 Breakups and a Romance, Cedric Juan for Gomborza, Ding Dong Dantes for Rewind, Enchong D for Here Comes the Groom, Elijah Canlas for About Us But Not About Us, and Piolo Pascual for Malyari.
The VP Choice Award goes to
Alden Richards for 5 Breakups and a Romance. Congratulations.
Hello. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I think this is my second award for VP Choice Awards and yung first time po yata hindi ako nakapunta, but for tonight I really made it possible po to come here to thank, of course, most especially my supporters po for the vote that I have gotten po from the poll. Sila po yung nagpuyat and nag-effort to vote for me, and this award is for them. I would like to dedicate this award also to yung partner ko po sa 5 Breakups and a Romance, si Julia Montes, and of course to our writer-director, Direk Irene Villamor. And maraming salamat po for this award. And mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you so much.
Grabe si Alden, no? Mukhang year niya nga ang 2024. Super Awards. Ito nga, meron pa nga siyang bago. Maharlikang Laureate for Television and Film. Alden Richards is recognized with Maharlika Laureate for Television and Film at the Maharlika Filipino Awards. At host nga siya ngayon ng Miss Universe Philippines. Ayun nga, napakagwapong si Alden. And again, I would like to remind you na yung mga nasa Calgary, Canada, sa August 11 nga ay si Alden Richards na at saka si Bubay ang magpa-perform. Wala ng Barda, tinanggal na nila. At sa August 9 naman ay nasa Anaheim, California sila. So Julie Ann Raver, Alden, Ai Isko Moreno, and Bubay. So hindi pa rin ako naniniwala na scheduling conflict kaya tinanggal yung Barda. Kasi mas mag-busy pa yung schedule ni Alden, di ba? May pa siya, Hello, Love Again. Tapos yun pang kay Heaven Pareho, hindi pa man napalabas, diba? So anyway, time will be the ultimate truth teller kung bakit naalis yung Barda sa mga world tour ng Sparkle. Anyway, this was actually posted last year on my TikTok account. Ayan nga, yung pag-alis ni Barbie at saka ni David. I'm not sure kung exactly May 22, 2023. Pero ayan na nga, mga pictures of them together at the airport. Ayun yung bag ni David, luggage ni David na Rimowa na sobrang mahal. Ayan. So, sobrang love ko pa si David nung mga panahon na yan kasi si Barbie nun, parang fresh na fresh pa yung niya Bohol fiasco niya. Yung sila ni Jack sa Bohol. So, ayan na nga, si Krista Virgin na isang staff ng Pocket Media Productions. Ayan na nga, si Barbie, ma-aura-aura sa sa airport. At yan na nga. So yun na pala, meron na palang asungot si David ng mga panahon na to, no. Ito naman ay yung TikTok live ni David na kumakain. At yan na nga, parang silang may bangs. Ayan, nagpicture si David sa South Korea, Cafe Tuso. At yan na nga. So, medyo mahaba-haba yung video. Ayan. Post ni David sa Instagram. So, South Korea. At post naman ni Barbie Fortesa. Yung mga post nga yan, parang parang hindi pa sila magkasama lagi. Yung bang parang may tampuhan noon, ang feeling namin. Pero hindi naman pala. sabi ni Barbie tsaka ni David kasi pa sila, lumilibot pa pala sila nung sa Seoul, South Korea noon. At guys, actually nakakuha ko ng bagong info about Barbie and David. At sabi wala raw tampuan. Okay naman daw si Barbie tsaka si David. Talaga nakasimangot lang sila dun sa photo shoot. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!